Welcome to GFI. And what are the 8 most important things that every single GFI member has to do for achieving skyrocketing growth? And how do you even track these 53 modules that have been given to you? Which course to pursue first and which course to go through second? Complete checklist for all those 53 modules are being covered in this particular video. Let's dive in. 8 things, my dear friends. The first one that you do as you become a GFA member is completely fill this particular Google form. Some of you would have already filled this. If you have not done it, just do it. Just click on this particular link. It'll take you to a form where we get some input from you, such as your name, company, category, city, which chapter you'd like to choose, and your address so that we can courier the 100 hacks booklets and all the other gifts that we can give you as well. So the second thing, this is the continuation slide of the first one. Basically, these are the 4 chapters that are currently available. Just choose one chapter. The second thing is note down GFA website. It's just very simple, www.growthfoundationinternational.com. That's going to be our all-in-one website. Third is basically you need to set up your account on the website. And if you don't know how to activate your account, if you forgot your password and all that stuff, we've just put together a video. Just click on this particular link. You end up on this particular video. You can step by step follow the process that is given here and completely set up your account in the GFI website. Fourth one is we're glad that we have a mobile app called the Zenler app, which will help you to learn and also to kind of share about what you do to other members. There's a community and there's course as well. And if you want to know how to use this mobile app, how to activate the mobile app for you, how to download, we've put together a small Instagram reel. Just follow that and you can explore by watching this particular video. And fifth one is these are the GFA courses. You have one main course, which is called the BSB course or the Business Scaler Blueprint. That's like the main course. And then we've got 4 other success formula courses. Just complete them one by one. And then finally, you have Treasure Vault. Treasure Vault is where all the Trustful Thursday, in short, we call it as TT, right? All the TT recordings would go in here. And you got a English version and a Tamil version as well. You can just choose your favorite version or preferred version and go into that particular library and start utilizing all those treasures. Sixth thing is you can actually be certified. You would be certified when you complete every single course in GFI. So we encourage you to get your certificates and start to share your certificates in the chapter group so that it becomes an encouragement to other members as well. The seventh thing is TT meeting, Trustful Thursday meeting. Some people think that every week we have to send the TT meeting link via email or WhatsApp group. No, it's not like that. You just have to register once and you're like done. Every single week, automatically the link is being shared to you. So if you've not registered, just use this particular link. Click on this link and it'll take you to a page like this. Just register once and you're done. Every single week, automatically the Zoom link would be shared to you. And last but not the least is entrepreneur KPI. There is no growth without KPI. And you are the first person that you lead, right? So you need to set up or follow entrepreneur KPI for your business. Once every single month is over, you just have to calculate or arrive at your KPI score and share that in your chapters group as well. And we've got a small Google form where it'll help you to arrive at your particular KPI score for each and every month. So every month before 5th, ensure you're completing KPI review for the month that has just been completed. Okay, so how to use this has already been explained in the KPI Success Formula course as well. The last module of KPI Success Formula course, we've explained how to use this particular tool. So these are the 8 must-do things as a GFA member. And also, if you've been wondering Like I've got so many courses, right? So 53 modules. How do I even complete? Which one to do first? Which one to pursue second? If you've got all those doubts, here's this growth checklist. I highly urge you and recommend you to print this thing and keep it somewhere so that you're actually tracking it and putting a tick mark into every single module as you complete them. So the first and foremost, very, very important module that you got to complete is BSB, Business Scaler Blueprint. That's like our core module. Completely all the areas of business being covered in this particular module. So we highly recommend you to complete this. By the way, do not get bombarded or don't feel overwhelmed when we talk about 53 modules. Okay. You have two choices. You can take 53 days, like one day for each module, and complete them step by step. Or the other thing I would suggest is consider GFI courses like a Netflix series. You take 26 days or even 15 days or 20 days. Do 2 modules per day, or if possible, do go beyond that. Just watch it like a series and complete all the modules and see what we're talking about. Because we don't waste time in any of these modules. Only crux, the golden content is given in every single module. Just go through all the modules so that you're getting the points inside your mind, and then later on you can relearn those modules deeply and continue to take action as well. So the first thing that you do is a business scaler blueprint program. Then you do KPI. Actually, there's a reason why we suggest you to go through this particular learning roadmap, because once you get the blueprint, next is you need to work on KPI. Before you implement KPI for your team, you need to go through this course so that you don't do certain mistakes that people normally do when they implement KPI. So the third thing that you do is marketing success formula. So once KPI is set up, we want you to attract money into your company. So to attract money, you go through the marketing success formula module. Once there's more money coming into your company, you need to start managing the finances. So you have the finance success formula. Just go through that. And once the finance is done, you have HR module. I've kept the HR module last because it's so deep. Probably one of the most deep program in the market out there when it comes to HR. So much is there. Okay, so do not take more than 6 months or even 1 year to complete these modules. You know why? Because these 53 modules are needed and essential for your business, like right now. If you take 6 months or 1 year to complete these things, these modules might even be outdated because we are constantly upgrading in GFI, right? By the time you learn these trends, the trends have changed, and GFA would have come up with some more modules which would be essential by then. So right now, these 53 things are essential for your business. Therefore, I urge you to go through all of them and start taking action. And I want to wish you skyrocketing growth. Take care. Bye-bye.